Before you choose a shop to install MAD PPF on your vehicle, watch this. Right here we have a Land Rover that we're doing window tint to it, but we couldn't help it to notice that somebody actually installed MAD PPF on this vehicle. The job is actually good. I was actually shocked and surprised at the same time because the installation part is really good, but the attention to detail is what caught my eye. Right here we got the bumper meeting the fender. They cut the film right up to the edge so I can clearly see the gloss. Then if we keep walking, we got over here, we got the door. I can clearly feel the edge. So they didn't wrap this. Same thing right there. Same thing here. We keep walking, same thing. Up here, we have up to the edge. They didn't wrap it around. I can see gloss all right here. So at this point, what I want to show you is we have two cars that one that we already did and one that we're working on. Let's go and take a look and show you why we're different. So follow me. All right, guys, so here we have a truck that we did about 2 years ago. We did MAD PPF on it. What I want to show you is the details and the extra steps that we take to get the job done. So clearly see, like I showed you over there, we tucked the film in the bottom of the seal. So all there is tucked in. The molding, kind of like what I show you over there, I can't see nothing in there. This little molding got done as well. So MAD PPF, clear PPF. Then from there, we have the door where they actually, that's where I noticed over there. So all this is wrapped around, along with all this is wrapped around. So clearly there is no edge. It's all wrapped in there and all wrapped in there. So that's the Audi that we got here to show you. Now we're working on a Porsche that we're doing clear PPF, but at the same time we're doing clear, we're still wrapping at this, so follow me. All right, so here we got the Porsche that we're doing what we call our Protection Plus. So it's the full front end, rockers, the mirrors, the pillars, roof line. On this one, clearly we can show you, we took the gas cap off to wrapped in there. So there is no edge exposed. You can see the film still. We still got to wrap this around. This is the film that's going to get wrapped around in there. Right here by the wheel, same thing. You can kind of still see, we still got to trim this out, but you can clearly see, you know, we're wrapping all the way in there. So there's not going to be no edge. As well down here, we move into the hood. All this has to be wrapped around as well. So by the time it's done, there is not going to be a exposed edge. We take it a little bit extra. Lights got out. So we took the lights out so we can cover all of this out. Porsche are notorious to lift from this area, so that's why we took the light out. All this is wrapped around. Even the bumper is done. We're wrapping that around. Long story short, guys, if you're shopping for paint protection film, let's be honest, PPF is not cheap. It is expensive. It is an investment to protect your investment. So why not take the little extra and do your research and ask questions if they're gonna do this kind of work. This kind of work, it equals more time, equals a little bit more expensive, but in the long run, it's gonna look better, perform better, and protect your investment. So if you're looking to protect your car, let us know.